Hi, Steph.
Hello, happy Friday.
Yes, Friday here on Periscope. We were talking before we went live a little bit about, so Groundhog Day is going to have some severe weather for the plains, the Central Plains, you said?
Right, and I'll get to that here. I just want to show you here our infrared satellite right now. Well, we have this storm system pushing its way across the west, and once again, a series of storms continue to impact the west. Now, we do have another one brewing up around the Pacific, and that's actually going to be the stronger storm that's going to impact the west coast. And we start here. This wave is expected to push in further south into California, and we're looking at snow in some areas, very heavy at times. So this is for our Sunday, okay? Heavy snow across the mountains here along Interstate 70. Once again, watch out for some delays there. The Sierra Nevada as well, looking at heavy snow. In the lower elevations where we find the lighter shades of blue, you're gonna have the rain transition over to snow, because with this system, it's gonna be a lot of cool air pushing its way further west. And also across the south here, Los Angeles, San Diego, it's going to be more on the gusty side. We're talking gusty winds impacting that general area, and also looking at some wet weather. But very beneficial now for California, because as many know, they're under severe drought. So good news. But talking about Groundhog Day, what we're looking at, eventually that storm will continue to strengthen and move up to the northeast. We're talking blizzard conditions now across the Central Plains, Nebraska down to Kansas, and then eventually making its way across the upper Midwest as we head into Tuesday. And once again, when you have blizzard conditions, that's going to cause for whiteout conditions. We can see wind gusts up to 45 miles an hour. So we can also see maybe some road closures happen here Monday and into Tuesday along, let's just say, Interstate 80 and Interstate 70.
So maybe some like travel delays, so keep an eye on that.
Oh yeah, for sure. And some areas could even see up to a foot of snow in the Central Plains. So we're talking heavy snow across this general area, and like I mentioned, shooting up further north into the upper Midwest as we head into Tuesday.
Okay, let me show someone one to see the graphic a little bit here. So this is early next week.
Right, yes. Yeah, Monday into Tuesday, once again, it's going to work its way up to the northeast.
And someone said it just started snowing in South Jersey.
Oh, yes, because, okay, I'll get to that.
Oh, and then someone said, what's it look like for the weather in New York as well? We were just talking about that, so we might get a New York City question.
Oh, yeah. Because, all right, so we have this trough in place, right, across the northeast region. Now, this storm system, well, remember, this storm system brought heavy rain to Florida the past couple of days. Actually, in some locations, broke records. We had several inches of rain. Well, it's this trough that continued to slide its way further east, and that has allowed that storm to exit and actually stay offshore, which is the good news, because the Northeast, many locations saw a blizzard last weekend. We don't want to see that. We're still trying to dig out, right? So thankfully, this trough kicked that one out, and so we dodged a winter storm this weekend. But we are looking at some snow showers impacting the Northeast region, very light in nature. Once again, talking about cities along I-95, some snow showers are actually breaking out, actually moving its way a little bit further east. Check out the radar right now here. As we see here, it's just pretty much snow showers sliding its way across Jersey. Here it goes. Up further north, that storm system we saw out to sea, that actually has enough moisture that it's causing some snow showers and rain showers across the extreme eastern areas of Maine. So
someone was asking about Michigan here, so there's a just Detroit snapshot there.
Yeah, right. There you go. Up here. There you go. See some light snow showers up further north. But once again, this is going to be passing through, and as we continue through this afternoon, it should be much quieter across the Northeast region, all along I-95 around New York City as we head into the week, as we continue through the afternoon hours, looking at partly sunny skies. The winds on the increase here with this system as it continues to slide its way further east. So in some locations, we're seeing winds 12 to 25 miles an hour, making it feel a little bit cooler. So,
right, those winds always with that chill.
Yeah, exactly. So,
all right. Well, thank you. Happy Friday, Stephanie.
Happy Friday. Enjoy the weekend.
All right. Thanks for joining us here on Periscope.
Yes.